In this video, we'll see the recipe of lemon honey tea with walnut honey toast. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need ginger, and the best and easiest way is to grate it. So here I've got a small grater and I'm grating some ginger. We need half teaspoon for this recipe. Now heat 1 1/4 cup water. Bring it to a boil. Then add half teaspoon tea or chai patti. Then add the grated ginger. Now let it boil really well, like 2 to 3 minutes. Then strain the tea and let the temperature come down. We need the tea to become warm before we add honey. I'm using the Sano honey, which I found to be very natural and pure. Especially this honey comes from a brand with rich heritage of healthy products like olive oil, oats, peanut butter and many more, which makes me trust the quality even more. We need 1 teaspoon for this recipe. Once the tea becomes warm, add honey to it and stir it. And then add a few drops of lemon juice and stir. You can also add a slice of lemon. To make the toast, heat your pan or tawa and place 2 wheat bread slices. I'm not using any oil. If you have pop-up toaster, you can also use your toaster to toast the breads. Toast the bread slices on both the sides till they become golden brown in color. I'm not using any oil, ghee or butter for this. Then apply some peanut butter, that is approximately 1 teaspoon on one slice. Peanut butter is healthy, and if you use a natural one without any added sugar, your toast would become healthier. Then add some chopped walnuts. You can also add chopped toasted almonds. Then drizzle some honey, approximately 1 teaspoon on each slice, or you can reduce the quantity of honey if you want. So the toast comes out really nice and crispy with creamy peanut butter and sweetness and goodness of honey. Hope you like this easy and healthy breakfast recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!